Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in our previous video I taught you guys some of the basic things you need to know when it comes to video editing here on YouTube. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be going further. I'm going to share how you can get copyright free music, like music and sounds you can add to your videos. I'm going to show you how to download them. I'm going to show you how to add them to your videos, and also I'm going to be showing you some very basic transition skills. Yes, you know, here on YouTube a lot of creators create their videos using their smartphone, and also most of us edit our videos using the same phone. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do all of this using your phone. But first, we're going to be getting copyright free music. See guys, here on YouTube is not like every other platform where you just get music, you get sound, you upload to your content. YouTube is very sensitive. You can lose your channel, you can get copyright strikes, and in fact your channel can go into trouble for just getting random music. And yes guys, we're going to be using the YouTube library. Okay, so I know some of you may know about this, some of you don't even know about it. So I'm going to show you how to get this free sound. All sound from the YouTube library is actually free, but yet I'm going to show you how to download them. I'm going to show you how to add them to your videos, and also I'm going to show you basic transition skills. Yes, you know, sometimes you see things like this. Let me just show you. You see this? You see this? This is a transition skill, and this makes your viewers to get hooked on your videos. It keeps your videos exciting and interesting, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So enough of the talking. If you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube seamlessly. I will teach you how to do this thing like a baby. You know how we do it. So go to the comment section, make sure you support a creator genuinely. Don't just go there and be like, oh, follow me. Please don't do all of that. Support a creator genuinely. So let's just dive straight into this video. If you're busy, leave whatever you're doing. You can come back to this video because you want to be relaxed. Pay good attention, follow me step by step so you don't miss any step. So let's just go straight into the video. So guys, first things first, you want to go over to your smartphone, you click on Chrome browser. So we're going to be using the YouTube dashboard site. Okay, so you're going to be going to your YouTube studio, that's the dashboard site, to get this copyright free music. So you already know how to go to your dashboard site, you continue to studio. Make sure you're doing this through your Chrome browser. Okay, so guys, this is what the interface looks like. So once you use the YouTube dashboard site to get into your studio, this is what it looks like. So we're going to be downloading free music from the YouTube library. Okay, so now let me zoom this closely so you guys can see very well. So now you see this icon at the left hand side, this music icon. So guys, you see this music icon, this one, you click on it. Okay, so it's already showing you audio library. So here it says, welcome to the YouTube audio library. Browse and download music free of cost for your project. You can use this audio track in any of your videos. Amazing. Okay, so if you're creating content on YouTube and you're worried about the background sound, will you be copyrighted? So guys, let me be playing several type of music you can use. And guys, you can also use sound effects. Look at this, a lot of sound effects. Is it clapping effects? Is it noise effects? This one says kids playing. So guys, if you know how to use this sound effects, you will really understand why this is very important. Okay, so first things first, let's download one of these free sounds. So you can take out your time to play each of them and see which one fits what you really want to do in your video. So let's search for a sound. So let me say I want let's say I want a cinematic sound, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna type cinematic sounds. All right, so the next thing you want to do, you just want to search. Okay, so let me zoom this backward because I'm using my phone to do this, so you guys should understand. Now these are several sounds it has generated for us, so let's play this one. I hope you guys are able to hear the sound. okay, because I'm actually recording this. I can't really hear what it sounds like. So I don't really know if the sound actually played out. I don't know what it sounds like, but trust me guys, these sounds are super amazing. You can search for any sound of your choice. Likewise the sound effects. So let's just download one of these sounds. So I want you to come over here, come to the right hand side, just come to the right hand side, and you come over to where you have download. Okay, so let's say we want to do this particular sound. So this one here, let me zoom this closely. Care is heavy, so you can listen to them all and see which one you like. Okay, let me zoom. So you come to the right hand side, you can see where it says download. So for the purpose of this video, let's download the sound. All right, so take out your time to download. Now, after downloading this sound, we are going to go over to CapCut, which is the editing app. All right, so this is Care is Heavy. So you save this to your files, save it directly into your device. Always make sure you download with the same device you are going to use to edit the video. Do not share this sound. Download it directly into your device. Do not share the sound, because some of us might download and start sharing it. Make sure you use it directly from your device. Okay, so this is Care is Heavy. Let's go straight to the editing app. All right, so you click on your CapCut. You already know how to do CapCut. Now we're going to bring in this sound we just got into one of our videos. So let me just find a very short video I will use to illustrate all of this. Okay, so you guys already know how to bring in your project. You bring in a new video. Let's say I'm going to be using this video for example. In today's video, okay, I'm going to show you guys. So let's add this video. Now let me teach you how to bring in this sound we just downloaded from our YouTube library. Now you see where you have add audio. You can either click here, you can click here, it will bring you to sound. Guys, you click on sound. Okay, so once you click on sound, these ones are recommended sound from CapCut. The reason why I do not use this kind of sounds, that is because sounds like this can actually have copyright claim. So for you to be on a very safe side, always try using the one from YouTube, because the YouTube sound is actually very safe. There are other platforms you can get free sounds, but YouTube library is really safe. Okay, so let's click on the device. Now you're going to bring in the audio from the device. So select from device. So I can remember the name was something Care. I didn't really save the name. I think something Care is Heavy. Okay, so this was the sound we downloaded from our YouTube library. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to click on the sound, open it. So automatically it's going to be appearing in your CapCut app. All right, so you click on this plus button right here, you click on it. You can see guys, the sound has been brought. This is the sound, and this sound is about 2 to 3 minutes long, I guess. So you can see the sound is covering everywhere in this particular video. Now this is what you need to do. I want you to click on the sound and click on volume, So this particular video is basically like a background sound, and you do not want your background sound to be louder than what you are saying in your video. So you click on volume. Now you can reduce the sound to however you want it to be. Keep listening, keep dragging. If keep listening till you can even leave it at number 2, number 3. In today's video, number 5, depending on how you want the sound to come out. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I can't really hear what the sound looks like because I'm actually recording this tutorial. So let's just leave it at number 5. In today's most times, depending on the sound, can actually be very loud. So let's keep it at 5. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to All right, let me pause this. So automatically, if I play this video, in today's video, I'm going to show you. If you pay attention, you'll be hearing this background sound. If you increase it, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get. You can see that was very loud. Okay, so you regulate it using the volume button. In today's video, so guys, this is very simple. You cannot become professional in a day. Practice makes perfect. So this is how you bring in copyright free sounds into your video, into your content. Now, the next thing we're going to do in this video, which I promised you guys, I'm going to teach you transitions. So still on this editing tricks and tips, let's add a transition to this video. So let's come over to the part I would like to add transition. Let me say, okay, I'd like to add a transition here. Click on the main video. The main video is the first clip. Always take notes. The main video is your first clip that has your images and whatever you are doing. So I'm going to click on the first clip. Now you split. Come down here. You see split. This thing is very simple. Okay. Now after splitting, you click on this part that is divided. You see where my line is, this straight line. You click on it. Are you seeing it? Let me go back again so you guys will see what I just did. First things, let me go back. Remember, you can go back by clicking this arrow. First thing, you click on your first clip. You split. After splitting, you click on the straight line. You click on it. That place that is having that splitting, you click on it. That is where you now see different transitions will come out. This thing is not magic. This is very simple. CapCut is so easy that you really don't really need to know too much about editing to really have some fancy, all of that. So too much talking. Let's choose one transition. So I like this one. Let's use this
How
one.
to get
Guys,
get 4,000
let's go back again. Play this video.
guys. How to get
So you see what just happened? You can see this. You see this transition. Now, let me just add this as a bonus. Click on it. Click on the transition here. This particular part where you have that X sign. You click on it.
how to get
Let me pause this video. Now you can decide to drag your transition
how to get
to be quicker. You can make it slower.
how to get 4
Can you see that? You can take it backward to make it faster.
to get
So guys, these things are in your control. And now you see this part that says apply to all. If you have a lot of places you splitted in your videos and you want everything to have this exact transition, just click on apply to all. Can you see that? And automatically it will apply to every part of your video. So if we want to make it slower, let's get it to the ending.
how to get 4
And guys, you can see. So if you play the video,
in today's video. I'm going to show you guys how to get 4
perfect. So we just successfully added a sound to our video, and at the same time we added a transition. All right, so this is really very simple. This is just one part of editing, and with time I'm going to be teaching you guys more editing tips and hacks. And yes, you can do well and have this one for now. So if there are any other tips you want me to do, more hacks, more tricks, let me know in the comment section. What am I doing if I'm not helping you guys? All right, guys, I hope this is helpful and I hope you're going to be trying it in your videos. So see you guys in another video. You can tell me thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Bye.